Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get Microsoft Copilot on iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you can do is to go to App Store and then click the search button at the top right corner of your app and then search the Copilot. After that, what you're going to do is to download the app and then wait for it to load, and then once you're done, you need to open the app. And this is what you'll be able to see after installing the app. It will ask you to log in using your Microsoft, your Apple account, or any email that you have, or continue as a guest. And then once you're done, you can now freely use the app, use it on your school works or personal uses, and then that's it guys. I hope that this video helps you, and if it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.